Just an update on our Fortified certified roof here. Again, you can see we've got the modified roofing cement, minimum of 8 inches in, that we embed the starter in, and then of course put the first course of shingles over. This is vitally important, and the whole concept is the most vulnerable part of a roof is the edge, the eaves, this going up the gable called the rake, are the most susceptible to wind. So we embed the starter in the modified roofing cement to make sure wind can't get underneath it and just have a sail effect and blow the roof off. But you can see we're moving fast. Again, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, sunbeltroof.com, or give us a shout in Louisiana 985-805-6921, or in Mississippi 228-222-5255.